Okay, so CDB Croatia, all I'm going to tell you is you have to be here. This is one of the most fantastic trips. Probably my favorite ever in CDB history. And because of the new drink that I found, Palikovac, but you have to order it, Strukani Peli, antique.
Best bartender ever.
I mean, it was absolutely fantastic. The country's incredible. People, the culture, the food, the drinks. Just absolutely awesome time. Our hosts were, can't even describe
accommodating.
it. Yeah, we have
anything we wanted, we got.
Yeah. The views, the scenery, everything was absolutely more than you could expect. So we really enjoyed ourselves.
The only thing really about Croatia when we came over, and we learned a lot all about it. The highlight for me was Stari Grad, walking around the old city or the old town, and then having a great lunch with some gentlemen singing to us.
Yeah. Croatian men are hot, and I went to Zara twice, and it was fabulous.
I don't have the words to describe like how great it's been. For me, it's particularly just connecting with the friends that I've made through all the other trips, and then making new friends, and also catching up with the culture discovery team. Everything about this trip was just awesome, amazing, and love CDB.
The experience with CDV is so unique. You get to visit with people that you normally not visit with. You get to enjoy everything about the countryside. You do boat trips. It is just a marvelous holiday. Travel to Croatia.